Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic Keeping Quiet. My English Book 5, page number 27. Listen carefully and enact in a pair. पेल और मानी की सही जोड़ियां लगाइए. Now students, this is a picture. It's taken from your book, page number 27. There are some dialogues and pictures. We have to make their pairs. So let's start. This old man want to say, I can't hear you. This boy is saying, come here. This girl is saying, are you ready? Now this young man want to say, I don't like. This young lady want to say, it's very good. This old woman want to say, what's wrong? This boy presents a dialogue, I don't know. This girl is saying, are you crazy? Now this young man want to say, let me think. And this young lady is saying, what a big surprise. Now here, next question. Form pairs or group. Use the following sentences before or after any of those given above to make short meaningful dialogues. अभी जो आपने dialogues सीखे हैं उनके आगे या पीछे दिए गए सेंटेंस लगाकर नए जुमले बनाइए. First sentence is, this card is for you. It's very good. So the sentence formed, this card is for you. Then someone replied, it's very good. Now here, what a big surprise. Thank you very much. I don't know. Really? I can't hear you. I'm sorry. What's wrong? Nothing. Everything is fine.